Good morning. My name is Dr. Harvey Kaufman, and I have been a biochemist for 38 years. And I must tell you that the types of research that I've done have been mostly in cancer research and MS and in supplemental research. I have over 40 patents, but now I am a private researcher working for myself. My past has taken me to the research on zeolites. I was the original zeolite researcher and was the inventor of Z-Natural, which is now in the hands of other capable people. And I no longer work in that area, but Z-Natural and zeolites were one of my my favorite things to start medical research in. What is said about zeolites versus liquid zeolites today on the open market varies from company to company, but basically if you see a liquid zeolite and if you see something called sodium alumino magnesium silicate, that is just talking about solid silicates themselves. The solid silicates are insoluble in water. They are not, in effect, very good except for cleaning out the colon. And I think that the zeolite market needs something new. People need something new to take care of their health, a new supplement. And the supplement I'm talking about today is something that I have developed by myself over the last several months, and it is called New Birth. It is not zeolite based. It is no longer in that area, but it is all GRAS status, generally recognized as safe. All of the ingredients are like that, and several years of research have produced this non-zeolite supplement. It is based on what is called the Lewis acid enzyme reaction. And it is all plant material. And you may be saying to yourself, why should I try New Birth? New Birth is a fast-acting heavy metals remover and toxin remover from the entire body. And why we should use it, or why you should use it, is the fact that it acts faster than most supplements on the market today, and that you have a right to manage your own health management. That is, you don't have to go to the doctors for every ache and pain that your body may have. It may be due to heavy metal substances in your body, and it may also have to do with toxins in your body, the toxins that we eat and drink and breathe in through the air. The material New Birth is 100% soluble in water, thus it is 100% bioavailable to your body. That means that it will reach every portion of the body, the brain, the colon, every place where it brings nourishment, where it will take out toxins and heavy metals. It is not to be confused again with zeolite. This again is a non-zeolite product. And it takes out toxins through the body, including it chelates out heavy metals like mercury and copper, lead, barium, cadmium, and is more effective than other products. The molecule is small in size, 50 to 75 nanometers. It is 100% soluble in water, thus 100% soluble in the bloodstream. We have done in vivo testing on this product, and what we have found is with this in vivo preclinical testing with small aquatic animals, we have found that, again, it's not toxic, It doesn't spread any type of disease or develop any type of disease in these animals. It promotes growth by 18%, and it was a 35-day study. That study will be published as soon as possible. The use of further research in new birth, something that I have never done before, but I did experiments with what they call heavy atoms. These heavy atoms are the most toxic substances that you could find, and to my thinking has never been used by myself or any other researcher in testing the chelation abilities of a supplement. And these toxins are things like thallium complexes and osmium complexes. And what we found was that new birth, within 24 to 48 hours, takes out all of these heavy atom toxins, something that is not done by other supplements, including the zeolite brand. New birth, if you can imagine in your mind, is 3 large cages, not zeolite cages, but 3 large carbon-hydrogen cages attached to a magnesium ion. And these 3 large cages have a heavy negative charge, and this is where all of the chelation takes place for the heavy metals. There is a magnesium ion attached to this structure and this molecule. It is small, anywhere from 30 to 50 nanometers, and thus clears the blood-brain barrier. And you will find, as I said before, it acts very fast. The magnesium ion is a place where the toxins are chelated out. And the magnesium helps nourish the body, and it helps cell transport also. Most favorably about the new birth material as opposed to zeolites is that it is following the efficacy of pharmaceutical rules. And those rules include 100% solubility in water, thus 100% bioavailable, and new birth is a small, compact molecule, small enough to cross the blood-brain barrier. And right now, the experimental work with new birth is centered around looking at the effects of new birth on what is called tau protein fibrils. Tau protein is a protein that exists in all our brains, in all our neurons, and is on the inside of the axons that go from nerve cell to nerve cell. They keep the structure of the axons in place. Now, when these are fibrillated or they develop clots or fibrils, the microtubules break down, the neurons break down, and there is an onset of Alzheimer's. Right now, we are doing research in that area to show that new birth may not only prevent these fibrils from forming, but also may, in effect, react with the fibrils and take these fibrils out of the human body through the urinary system. All waste chelates with heavy metals and with other toxins that are in the body are removed in the urinary process. And it is a tasteless and odorless water-soluble material. And again, it is my own private research that I've conducted to try something that is new and different, thus the new birth name. And it is very hopeful that you will try it. You can look at our website, newbirthproduct.com, and see for yourself. And try the product out. I think you'll be very, very pleased with it. Thank you.